guys, I lost all my hair. Just kidding. Totally jinxed myself on that one. So it's been a few days. We let the glue harden, so we glued it together. It's upside down, by the way. And now we're putting on the vinyl, or as I like to call it, vinyl. And it's done. Yep, okay, well. And it's 4th of July today, so we are celebrating by building a boat. Finishing it, or trying. It's looking beautiful. We could just use those as the oars. Be a freaking motor. Yes. Oh, a full-on motor. That'd be so intense. We're really working hard, and he's getting high, and you're like hot box down there. I can see you through. Look at. Hi. Hi. This is so shitty. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna wrap it all in duct tape too. So we just needed some extra support. There's just a hole up here. Look, this is the bottom of the boat, guys. There's just a hole in it. Like, this is already just not going well. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the boat so far. It's looking awesome. Great. Looking beautiful. You know, it's starting to get some shape to it. Yeah. Tyler had to go, but I'm gonna try to finish up a little bit here. It's looking pretty lit, actually. You know what? You've seen wallets made out of duct tape, but have you ever seen a boat made out of duct tape? No, not until you came to this video right here. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I am sweating. I got heat rash right here. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of work, you guys. Look at this though. This is the bottom of it. So I'm like almost done duct taping the bottom, but then I gotta flip it over. I gotta do the whole inside. I look like a mess. This heat rash is bad. Yeah, we're almost out of duct tape though. This is the last roll. So I might have to get some more. So we have not finished the inside yet, but we finished the outside. So we're gonna go see if it floats in the pool first. Yeah, let's go test this out. There's just a lot of people at the pool. It's okay though. Alright guys, so about 5 months ago, I started working on my duct tape boat with Tyler. We never sailed it, and it's been sitting outside for a while. We just ran out of duct tape one day and stopped working on it. So we're gonna work on it a little bit today, maybe test it out in the jacuzzi tonight, see if it sails a little bit with me in it, because I didn't test it out with me in it. But here it is. It's been a little destroyed by the rain and such, but we're gonna put it back together. Gary, do you like my boat? Are you going to sail in it? Yeah, I think we're gonna test out the boat tonight. Nicole might join me, wherever she is. There you are. Nicole. Me and you guys are gonna go to CVS, and we are gonna get some duct tape. Hopefully they have duct tape. I don't know who has duct tape, but I don't want to drive today because it's rainy and slippery and dangerous. Luna, are you going to go in the boat with me in the boat? Luna doesn't like water, but Tito likes water. Maybe Tito will go in the boat. Are you going to go in the boat with me? Oh, that's a yes! Honestly, I'm having trouble finding the CVS. I've never walked here before. Just ignore my non-makeup look and fly. Alright guys, we made it to CVS. Let's hope they have duct tape. Uh-oh, you guys, all they have is Scotch shipping tape. I don't think that'll work very well. Where's the duct tape? Guys, I found it! We found the duct tape. Alright, how much? Holy mother. Okay, buy one, get one 50% off. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, Kelcats, we are in business. Now let's get this shit done. Oh, you honking at me? All right, guys, it's been a while and the boat's been outside, so let's see what the damage here is. So this came off. I think my old roommate sat on it.
Yeah.
Like the jerk he is. So I gotta fix it.
You're not my loving anymore?
Just no respect for my boat, right? All right. All right, guys, I patched up the boat, fixed it a little bit, and Drew's checking it for holes.
Good at finding holes.
Alright guys, so, well, I had extra duct tape, so I decided to build myself a seat. I don't know if it's gonna work, so we're gonna try to sit on it. I'm really nervous. I have not tried this yet, and I thought I'd have to try it on camera. Are you ready? I'm so scared. Okay. I mean, I think it's gonna break. It's holding me though, look it. Where'd he go? Look at my seat. It sounded like over here was, like right here was coming apart, but I ran out of duct tape, so I can't really fix it. This side's caving in so much. Oh my god. I added like a pole right here, so this side wouldn't cave in, but this side is now. Should I added another pole? I guess I could hold this side up with my arm. No. I guess I'll grab another pole, I don't know. Alright, so I added another pole, but then I went to sit on it and I broke this part of the boat. It should be okay though, it shouldn't hit the water up here, I don't think. We'll hope not, we'll just hope for the best. Alright, we're testing the boat out. Oh no, we have to go to the stairs. This won't fit in the elevator.
Yes, it will. Just go over there. Now stand it up. Stand it up. Stand it up. Stand it up. What do you mean we're stand it up? It's not that heavy, it's duct tape. What do you expect? You put it together.
Pivot! 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 Phase one, the elevator.
Do you even have the keys to get in?
No? I thought you did. Oh no. I'm gonna get kicked out of the boat. It doesn't say no boats allowed. No, we'll do in the nice warm jacuzzi, so if anything goes wrong, I'll be nice and cozy. I want this boat experience to be a nice one. I made sure that I got a bathing suit that matched. Ignore my beautiful stretch mark right there. All right. No holes? All right, we're good. You could see through it a little bit, that's okay.
No, go over here.
Guys, it works! I am afloat!
Let's see how long it actually floats.
Guys, I forgot to build rows. Here we go. Woo, woo, whoa! I'm sinking?
Yeah.
Where?
Because the back's over here. Because your seat. Because your seat. Hey, you're sitting in your seat all jammed.
Oh my god, it's filling up with water.
Hey, go to the right.
Guys,
Move your ass to the right. To the right, not the left. Like get up and move your ass.
guys, it's filling up up with water. We got a hole. We got a leak. Guys, my boat's filling up with some water in here.
Alright, I'm going away.
I gotta get rid of some of it. Drew says that I'm sinking apparently. Am I sinking?
The front looks like you're low.
Oh, I'm low in the
You're
front?
getting a lot lower, yeah.
Uh-oh. We're sinking.
Does anyone want to try it?
If I get in it, it's gonna sink. Do you want me to get in it? Let me get it before you. So, are you fine with it sinking if I get in?
That's right.
He took apart my bow and made a paddle.
Let's see if we both sit in it now.
Here I come.
Oh.
We're going down! We're going down!
No!
We're going down! Wait, no, we're going down! The boat's... I can't believe it. I gotta save him.
I saw it coming. Alright.
Rip. Comment below what you thought of our boat, if we should build a new one and sail across Newport Harbor. I think we should. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Also hit that notification bell so that you guys know when I post cool videos like this one. Who sits at home and builds a duct tape boat? No one but me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.